In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Airtable to Excel. Whether you're organizing a project, managing a database, or creating reports, there comes a time when you might need to export your data from Airtable into an Excel spreadsheet. This is a simple process that allows you to manipulate your data more flexibly in Excel, but it's important to follow a few key steps to ensure everything is transferred correctly and efficiently. To begin, let's open the Airtable table that you intend to export. It's crucial that you go directly to the specific table or view that you want to export. This ensures that when you move to Excel, you're working with the exact dataset you need. Next, make sure you've selected the correct view within Airtable. Before exporting, it's wise to set up your view by applying any necessary filters to tailor your data to what's relevant. Also, hide any fields that aren't needed for your current workflow. Sorting your records in the desired order can be very helpful too, as Airtable will export only the current view. This careful preparation ensures a smooth transition from Airtable to Excel. After setting up your view, navigate to the View menu. You'll find this in the top left area of your screen, as it's signified by the drop-down next to the view name. Click on that drop-down to continue. Here, you'll see various options related to your view's configuration. Now let's get to the exporting part. Look for the Download CSV option in the drop-down menu. Once you click on Download CSV, a CSV file will automatically download to your computer. This CSV file contains all the data from your current view and is the format that we'll use to import your data into Excel. With the CSV file downloaded, you can now open it in Excel. This can be done by simply double-clicking the CSV file, which usually opens it in Excel by default if you have the program installed. Alternatively, open Microsoft Excel first, and then use the Open command to locate and load your CSV file. Once your data is in Excel, you have the freedom to adapt it to your needs. Consider saving it as an .xlsx file for preserving any additional Excel-specific features you might add. This way, you can structure the spreadsheet to better serve your purposes. Feel free to format your spreadsheet, change fonts, adjust column widths, or apply cell styles to improve readability and organization. Additionally, Excel opens up opportunities to enhance your dataset with formulas and charts, providing a deeper analysis and more dynamic presentation of your information. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to export Airtable data to Excel. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your data retains its structure and is ready for any further processing or analysis you wish to perform in Excel.